would the North Star be? If you kept turning and looked up, where would it be?
There's a subtle hint of what sixth grade teacher Daniel Rinkley is passionate about, hanging from the walls of his classroom at Fall Creek Intermediate. You guessed it, all things space exploration. And thanks to a grant from the Hamilton Southeastern Education Foundation,
How many revolutions was that?
his students will get to experience what he calls leaving Earth.
Get ready? All right, let's go.
Rinkley's class mission won't begin for a few more weeks, but when it does, the goal is to inspire his students into becoming future engineers and designers.
All you would have to do...
They'll put together planes and rockets, among other things. Rinkley says this hands-on learning project wouldn't be possible without the additional funding he received from the foundation. Rinkley's project will impact more than 60 students, but that's just one example. Last fall, the foundation supported 31 different projects at 19 locations, giving out $61,000.
I wanted the students to learn more about robotics, artificial intelligence, and to kind of understand how a production assembly line can work.
Jennifer Suskovich, a teacher in residence at the Fishers Maker Playground, was awarded a grant that will impact 1,500 students that visit her throughout the year.
The robotic arms have the capability of writing. There's a gripper tool. There is 3D printing option and engraving as well. So there's a lot of different features that these robotic arms can do. So I'm so grateful that I was awarded the grant through the Hamilton Southeastern Foundation in order to have this type of activity and opportunity that 10 and 11-year-olds get to experience.
Providing excitement, empowerment, and engagement through its grant funding, the Hamilton Southeastern Education Foundation is ensuring we match the dreams of both staff and students. And in Rinkley's class, the sky is the limit.